Have you ever clicked a link in an email and the page opened, but you weren't even sure which browser you were in? That's not just your imagination. There's a setting enabled in Gmail that a lot of people have never noticed. Gmail has a setting called Open Web Links in Gmail. When this setting is turned on, any link you receive in an email opens inside Gmail itself. Not in Chrome, not in Firefox, not even in the browser you normally use. The issue here isn't that Gmail is bad, and it's not that something is wrong. The real issue is that you're opening links without realizing exactly where you are inside Gmail. There are no security extensions, no advanced privacy settings, no real control like you have in a browser. So you're opening a link, but basically on autopilot without noticing. The solution is very simple. Open Gmail, Settings, General Settings, then turn off Open Web Links in Gmail. From that moment on, any link you tap will open in the browser you chose, and you'll know exactly where you are and what you're doing. In the end, if this is the first time you've heard about this setting, hit like. And if you're interested in hidden settings that most people don't notice, subscribe to the channel and tell me in a comment, did you already know about this setting or not?